In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox chat option not showing. If your chat button has disappeared in Roblox, there are several things you can check, and in most cases, the fix is pretty simple. We'll go through the most common causes one by one, so you can figure out what's preventing chat from appearing. First, open Roblox and join a game. Before changing any settings, check whether the game actually supports chat. A quick way to do this is to look and see if other players are chatting. If no chat appears at all, it may not be a problem on your side. Some games have chat disabled by the developer, so the option simply won't show up there. If the game should support chat, the next step is to check your Roblox settings. Open the Roblox app or go to the Roblox website, then sign in to your account. Click the settings gear icon and look for privacy or parental controls, depending on how your account is set up. In that section, make sure chat and communication features are enabled if those options are available. After that, save any changes and restart Roblox so the settings can fully refresh. You should also review account restrictions. Go back into settings, then open parental controls. If parental controls or account restrictions are turned on, they may be limiting communication features. This is especially important for younger users or supervised accounts, since some chat features can be restricted based on account age or safety settings. Another common fix is updating Roblox. Open your device's app store, search for Roblox, and check whether an update is available. If it is, install it, then launch Roblox again and see if the chat option comes back. Running an outdated version can sometimes cause interface features to disappear or behave incorrectly. If that doesn't work, completely close Roblox and restart your device, whether it's a phone, tablet, or computer. Then reopen Roblox and join a game again. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches. On Android, you can also clear the Roblox app cache. Open your device settings, tap Apps, select Roblox, then tap Storage and choose Clear Cache. After that, reopen the app. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, there isn't a dedicated Clear Cache option, so you may need to reinstall the app instead. If needed, uninstall Roblox, restart your device, then download and install the latest version again. Sign in and test the chat feature. Finally, if the chat option suddenly disappeared for lots of users, Roblox may be having a temporary service issue. In that case, the best thing to do is wait a little while and try again later.